Holdfast Marine's videos are sponsored by me. I pay the bills. Thank you. Hey everybody, Will from Holdfast Marine, your local boat shop. Standing on our new project boat. It's a 21-foot Repco, built 1977. I'll give you a quick little walk around. We've got a 115 etech evinrude on the back. This is a pretty cool little boat. Just took some time. We took all the electronics out, and going to be removing this center console within the next week or so. Slowly cutting her up and throwing her in the dumpster. This is going to be a fun little boat. We're going to keep the hauler there, and up in the bow we've got a Honda power pack that will power the hauler and the hydraulics going forward. The boat has hydraulic steering, which is great. This boat belonged to a friend of mine, a young man named Hunter, and so we're going to be pulling out all of the wiring inside there and the fuel tank. This boat has some through holes that are brand new, so we don't have to mess around with that too much. And the plan is to build onto this a wheelhouse. So pretty much where we are here, moving forward, is going to be you know, a wheelhouse like you'd see on a boat, or a lobster boat rather. And that's what we're going to be doing here. This boat has some cool history to it, and we're going to do it its justice. We'll be replacing that deck hatch with something a little bit more sturdy, probably aluminum. And we're going to be removing this entire trap rail and sitting it back to look more like the starboard side rail. Starboard side rail is going to get a bumper glassed onto it, lift it up a little bit. This side will have the same, but this will all get cut out, the rail, everything. So it should be a fun little project, so everybody stay tuned. This will be a good one. See you next time.